No,
It actually says it doesn't reward you for that.
okay.
Don't encourage them to hit it hard.
Okay.
Daddy, mommy's a plotty. Whoa, Daddy, good swing, Papa. Daddy, you're so good. Good shot, Daddy. Oh, he's so close to the green. Don't do that one too hard. Do it slow.
Do it slow. I bet you could get it in the hole, Etienne.
Go slow, Papa.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can. You can get it in that little hole. I've seen you do it. You're just good at it.
I'll show you.
Let Daddy show you. He'll show you a trick.
It's not a trick.
Oh, no. Now he's on the green.
It's not a hole.
Try that again. Do what Daddy just
No,
showed
it's
you.
not.
Do what Daddy showed you.
It's not again.
Do it like Daddy did it.
There was a hole.
You're getting closer. You're almost there.
I should.
No, don't hit it real hard. Hit it real slow. That way you get it in the hole. Oh, look how close you were. You're doing good.
Okay.
Try to get it in the hole. You're almost there. Just a little one. You're almost there, see?
I can't get it.
Yeah, just try. Ooh. You're closer. Just a little tap. Whoa, you're this close.
Yes. Is it?
Get closer to the couch, Etienne. Thank you. Tomorrow I'll work on getting this thing set up so that you wouldn't be able to knock over the lead.
Yeah.
Did you want to keep it on this TV?
Whatever you like.
Well, it doesn't matter to me. I didn't anchor the Wii remote console on the top to the TV because I didn't know if we were going to move it.
Can't do it.
Not bad. What?
Not bad.
Yeah. You want to take it off? What do you want to do? You want to put it? Oh, you want to put it on the other end? Okay, let me see. You wanted to affix it to his other wrist.
looking. New picture of her and Mickey on there, and her face is just like.
Not bad, babe.
What's Sam?
Is he doing this right-handed?
Pretty good. Yeah.
Is he using a right-hand
Yeah.
stroke or whatever you
Yeah.
call it? Because when I set it up for right hand.
Oh shit, I was talking about me. You posted on YouTube.
I'm not going to post it on YouTube.
I don't think he would watch it, but.
I'm not going to post it on YouTube. I can edit it. I can cut it off at a certain point. Or we can just keep it for ourselves. You can watch it on the TV. You want to check?
I can't do it.
What? Do what?
I can't do it.
What, the putter?
No,
You can do it.
no, I can't.
Look, see, she's going to hit the thing. You can do that. Just give it a little whack. Use not big swing, just a little one. Use your, not the chin, use your A. The A. See? There you go.
Didn't make it.
That was close.
No, it didn't.
Well, you're almost there. See, look, now you got a little tiny bit of space. Give it a little whack. Just a little one. Whoop. Oh, you went too far. You just need to, don't swing it like that. Don't swing it. It's not a toy. Don't swing it. Not a big one, just a little one. A little whack.
There's not to swing it.
Give it a little whack. Just a little whack.
I can't.
Okay, try. You do what you gotta do.
I can't do it.
Well, just try. You just practice, practice, practice.
Oh, what's it? Wow.
Can I see that? Don't press the button. Don't press the button. I just gotta
What are you doing?
I'm just checking the thing. Which one do you want me to try, Joy?
What? A 9 hole. Well, I mean.
What do you think?
If he wants to keep playing, just put him on beginner and put him in 9 hole.
Okay. Do 9 hole?
Yeah, that way you don't have to keep stopping every 3 holes.
It's over there.
Skill level 109. What does that mean?
Probably the score,
Oh,
which is high. It's shitty.
yeah.
Daddy, you hit it far. Wow.
Still.
Ooh, you almost made it towards the flag. Then you just got a little ways to go. Get the pee? Try to hit it towards the flag. Not a big one. Whoa, too far.
I have to cut some flags.
Oh, now you're in a big hole. You're going to have to whack it real hard here.
That's to the sink.
Not bad. You did good.
But my brother said you.
Okay.
My brother said you, Daddy.
Yeah, and your hands smell like wet dog.
Yes. Yeah. Plus 8. Hey, wait for. Hey. There. There, good job. There.
I
Good job,
did.
Danny.
I hit the thing and it
Can
bounced back.
I have some fun?
Some gum? No, because you ate it last time I gave it to you.
Can I see?
Oops.
Wait. Don't get away from the water or the sand.
Okay. Just give me golf tips.
Yeah.
There's some water.
What do you think I should do, Etienne? Tell me what I need to do.
You need to press A. Okay, and the very far. Hit it very far. Hit it. Hit it. You did it very far. Very far, Mommy.
I want to get it in the hole.
But you can't. You didn't. You didn't.
Oops. I hit too hard.
You went way too far.
Need to hit it softer.
Yeah.
I need to hit it not too hard.
No, not so hard. Oh no, very far. Or just like.
Oops.
You waits to the water. Mommy hand waits in the water. Wow. You make it.
The computer likes me.
People like Mommy.